The sewage we use every day is actually discharged. Or was it drunk by us after processing it? The whole process is very flavorful. Sewage discharged from the home. Through the pipeline, it will be imported into the discharge pipe of the community. Then it flows into the municipal sewer network. These pipes have a certain slope. Sewage can flow naturally. And finally, all the sewage in the city goes to the sewage treatment plant. The first level is filtering. Through the mountain filter, put the plastic bag, leaves, and unexpected sorts of solid waste. After the initial filtration, the sewage will flow into the sediment separation tank. The water will slow down at this time. Sediment and some particulate matter will sink. The precipitate is then sucked into a separator for processing. At the same time, it will remove the grease and floating foam on the upper surface of the water surface. Wastewater after preliminary precipitation and degreasing. Access to the blast chamber through the pipeline. You can see the water churning violently. It's not boiling. Instead, a large amount of oxygen was injected into the tank. And what does that do? The role of oxygen injection. It activates the microbes in the water. This will speed up the decomposition of organic matter inside. This process is called biochemical degradation. The wastewater is then discharged into another pool. Add chemicals like lime and salt. Let some substances crystallize and precipitate. This mixture of water and sludge will enter another secondary sedimentation tank. Sludge will settle to the bottom of the pool. It's now separated. The sludge at the bottom but the baby can't help it, will be collected by a mud pump into a large jar. Let this watery sludge settle again. Can be separated again. Some of the water will flow back to the sedimentation tank in front. The remaining sludge is sent to the fermentation tank. You heat it up and you let it ferment. It breaks down methane, carbon dioxide and water and things like that. The methane gas in it, the body can heat the wastewater treatment plant. The fermented sludge is dewatered by centrifuge. The resulting solids can be incinerated to generate electricity. The burned substance contains phosphorus. It can also be used for organic fertilizer. The water that has been treated many times above, although it has become clear, but it's still not clean inside, to be disinfected. The ozone agent is added to the sealed water tank. Use a chemical reaction, break down drug residues and trace hormones, so as to achieve the purpose of sterilization, disinfection and water purification. Sterile water. We have to go through the last filter. And at the bottom of the pool, we use sand as a filter. Water seeps through the sand and flows into the pipes below. The filtered water is clear and transparent. After various tests meet the emission standards, still can't drink it. It will be discharged into rivers or used for greening and watering. So, after the water discharged from the household is treated by the sewage plant, it's recycled water, also known as reclaimed water. It cannot be used directly as drinking water.